Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Monday, July 7th. Hope everybody had a great weekend. 3-day weekend, a lot of partying, a lot of hanging out with the family and enjoying the fun and the festivities. All right, but now it's back to work. The market was pretty flat today, only down 50, but that didn't stop our CAG because you've been following us from down here. But we are a little over 800% now on the calls, and we're looking for the big move to really start taking place here. We're going to break the 50-day moving average and rip right through the 100 and then come up and test this here, and then we'll be pulling back after that. What your smart idea would do is try and get out right before the masses. So right in this area here, you're looking to get out, so maybe 32.28, 32.38, somewhere in that area. Give yourself a 10 cents buffer. Don't have to ride it all the way to the gap close. Just ride it up till you're all set, and then after that, there'll be plenty more to ride. All right. As for our members, BBRY is just about to close this gap up here. Amazing move, huge profits on this one also. Members are doing fantastic here, but look for BBRY to hit a little bit of resistance here and then break through that and come up and hit this 1340. Once we close that gap, then that'll be, actually it's a little bit higher. It's 1419. After we get up in this area over here, look for some channeling to take place before we close this. But relative strength index is getting a little bit high, so it's going to need a little bit of a break here. It's probably going to use these two candles also. So if you're not in yet, wait for a little pullback. You probably get right here at 1061 and let it go to the upside. But BBRY has been doing fantastic and moving like a champ. All right, let's take a look at GBB. GBB. Zoom this in. That's not the one I'm looking for. I'm sorry. Hold on one second. We'll do BG. All right, BG. Broke the 50-day moving average here. It's looking really good at 76. If you're an options player, this one should be very lucrative for you. Keep an eye on this one here, because what we're looking to do is close this gap up right here. Okay, it's 79.33 for the gap. It's 76.78 right now. It has broken through on some nice volume here, and we're looking to definitely capture another $2.49 or 3.24%. Okay, so this looks really good for the finish move to the upside. You have the double bottom in place here, higher low right here, held the middle Bollinger Band just perfectly, and now it's getting ready to break to the upside. So this should be a very lucrative trade for you. Let's look at BITA and then one and more after that. BITA, beautiful chart right here. This is set up to continue to the upside. There's nothing broken about this chart. Relative strength is a little bit high, but it still has plenty of room to go to the upside. It did break this top right here, so we do expect this to go much higher right here. So if you take a look at this on a weekly basis, you can see how beautiful this trend is here. Just continues right up nice and solid. Really hasn't had any solid pullbacks. If it does, it came down to the middle Bollinger Band. That's at about 39, but I don't think it's going to come down there anytime soon. Relative strength index is at 72 also on the weekly. So keep an eye on this one. This one looks good for a nice move also. Congratulations on PCLN. If you saw my video, then you know. If you've been watching, we said it down here. This is our area right here. And what we wanted to do, the members all know they've been riding with this. Then we took this profit here, and we've been right in this area here. It's time to collect because we're going to hit 1267, and there's your big move here. Closed underneath it, but did pierce it at 1264. Almost hit the 1267. I was almost there, but it's not done yet. We need to see tomorrow if it does break this trend line to the upside. If it does not, I would take your profits because it's going to pull back and probably come to this area over here, 1228. But with an upgrade this evening, this could really start rocking. So congratulations if you guys are in this. Listen, today's the last day. $700 for a lifetime membership. You cannot beat it. Why? Because our options portfolio that we just released 3 days ago is up over 1,000% right now. All the new picks just came out today and this afternoon, so they're all ready for purchases. There's another 15 in the portfolio, and we give you all the prices, all the targets, accompanied by a video to tell you exactly where it's going, what to look for, how to protect yourself, and so on and so forth for every stock. Plus, we will manage it on a daily basis via the forum and also in the chat room. So if you're not a member, please do so. Today's the last day. Just click the link on the video. Join up and get started with us. There's 55 to 65 people in the chat room at any given point. Membership is growing for some reason. Probably because I'm making huge money. All right, this is Matt. Have yourself a wonderful night.